Rigidized Metals has a great deal of experience creating engineered metal surfaces widely used in transportation facilities subjected to the wear of high traffic. Various surface engineering techniques can optimize a stainless steel, titanium, or any metal installation for the best performance and service life. Whether you are designing a metal roof, wall, ceiling, elevator cab, partition, column cover, baseboard, or handrail, Rigidized Metals has surface options available that are specifically engineered for that application. We can help the architect build a better looking facility that is easier to maintain and costs less to operate. When planning the design and construction of restrooms, the selection of restroom partitions is critical to appearance, function, and maintenance. When selecting a restroom partition, there are many materials to choose from: painted steel, phenolic, and stainless steel, to name a few. Stainless steel has long been a popular choice for many hygienic surfaces. It is a material that is very easy to clean. It is an inert material that is environmentally safe, and it is a corrosion-resistant, attractive, long-lasting, and durable surface. Here are some examples of the various engineered deep textured surfaces available in stainless steel. The deep texturing process strengthens the metal, increasing its durability. This is a mill-stop sample showing the transition from smooth to textured stainless steel. The sample was fully scratched side to side, and it is nearly impossible to see the scratch pattern in the textured portion. The texture interrupts the blade contact, causing the damage. Further, the surface is a bit harder too. Uncoated hydrophobic surface patterns respond to little or no detergent on a moist rag in order to clean them. They are also available combined with deep textured patterns like 5WL. Recently, partitions constructed of phenolic resin have become quite popular. However, phenolic partitions are not without their detractors. As you can see from this image taken on the New York State Thruway, phenolic partitions are easily damaged or vandalized. Phenolic compounds are not green. They have a lasting and negative impact on the environment and health. Acute toxic effects may include the death of animals, birds, or fish, and death or low growth rate in plants. Longer-term effects may include shortened lifespan, reproductive problems, lower fertility, and changes in appearance or behavior. The EPA considers phenolic pollution a priority concern. Lastly, it has a shorter product life cycle and is not easily recycled. Painted steel is a safer alternative to phenolic resins. However, it doesn't age as well and isn't as attractive as stainless steel. Once the paint is scratched and the carbon steel is exposed, the partition will begin to rust immediately. Because of this, it has a far shorter life cycle than stainless steel. Painting isn't as environmentally friendly due to the emissions of VOCs related to the process, and reapplying paint to slow rusting and corrosion also creates higher maintenance costs. The clean look of stainless with the durability of interesting patterns makes for an impressive partition. Because of their durability and that they're made from stainless steel, these partitions are both sanitary and secure. Stainless steel restroom partitions are available in a variety of patterns. Surface engineered stainless steel is ideal for high traffic areas such as elevator cab interiors, restroom partitions, and column covers. Pre-written specifications are available to the specifier from the producer, and most restroom partition manufacturers are well versed in surface engineered metals. Please don't hesitate to contact us with your questions and ideas. We can assist you with guidance on material and pattern selection, samples, specifications, and other technical information. Rigidized Metals Corporation was founded in 1940 as Rigitex Corporation. We are the world leader in the development and production of engineered metal surfaces. Our first applications were industrial focused, but soon after served architectural, industrial, marine, and transportation applications. Visit us at rigidized.com to see our full breadth of products and projects.